Is there a way to recover deleted notifications on iPhone?
Hello everyone. Today, we're tackling a question that a lot of iPhone users have. Is there a way to recover deleted notifications on iPhone? Unfortunately, the straight answer is, there's no direct way to recover deleted notifications on an iPhone. But don't worry. There are ways to retrieve some of the information from those notifications.
Why can't we directly recover notifications?
The simple reason is that once a notification is swiped away or cleared, Apple doesn't provide an inbuilt feature to retrieve it. This is because notifications are meant to be temporary, providing real-time information. They aren't designed to be stored for long-term access.
What are the alternatives to recover some of the information?
Although you can't recover notifications per se, you can retrieve some of the information from them by looking in a few key places. A. Check the Notification Center firstly. The Notification Center stores all your recent notifications. To access it, swipe down from the top of your screen. If you haven't cleared the notifications from there, you'll be able to find them. B. Check the relevant app secondly. Check the app that sent the notification. Most apps will have the same information available within them. For example, if you had a missed call notification, you can find that in the Recent Calls in your phone app. C. Check your lock screen thirdly. Check your lock screen. If you have not unlocked your iPhone since receiving the notification, it may still be there. D. Check your email finally. For certain types of notifications, you may be able to check your email. Some apps send email notifications for the same events, so you might find the information you need there.
Is there a future-proof solution?
Yes, there is. To prevent future loss of important notifications, consider using automated email notifications or third-party apps that log your notifications. While these solutions may not help you get back the lost notification from the past, they can ensure you don't miss any important notifications in the future. Remember, these third-party solutions should be used with care, taking into account any potential privacy concerns. Always use apps from reputable developers and read reviews before downloading. While you can't directly recover deleted notifications on your iPhone, there are alternative ways to retrieve the information. By checking the Notification Center, the relevant apps, your lock screen, and email, you might be able to find the information you need. For future proofing, consider automated email notifications or third-party apps that log your notifications. I hope you found this guide helpful, and you never miss an important notification again.